Hello and welcome. How can you quickly test if a number is divisible by 3? It's very easy to see if a number is divisible by 2 just by looking at it. Just look at the digit on the right and see if it's odd or even. For example, 54. The digit on the right is a 4. 4 is an even number, so 54 is divisible by 2. What about 37? The digit on the right is a 7. 7 is odd, so 37 is not divisible by 2. Real easy, but on first inspection, whether a number is divisible by 3 or not, just by looking at it, is a little harder. For example, 42. Is 42 divisible by 3? 3 12s are 36. Oh, I don't know. That sounds kind of hard. But not that hard. If you want to know how to do it, stay tuned. So let's try a couple. What we're going to do here is test if these numbers are divisible by 3 or not, and if so, let's actually divide them by 3. So the first one, 42. What we do is we look at the digits 4 and 2, and we add the digits together. 4 plus 2 is 6. We then look at that. Is 6 divisible by 3? Yes, it is. That is 3 times 2. If that is the case, then the original number is divisible by 3 as well. So this is divisible by 3. So let's do it. We already know this will work and give us no remainder. We just want to know what the other factor is. 3 goes into 4 once, remainder 1. 3 goes into 12, 4 times exactly. So in other words, 42 divided by 3 equals 14 exactly with no remainder. 42 is divisible by 3. Let's try another one, 261. So we add the digits together. 2 plus 6 is 8, 8 plus 1 is 9. By the way, this stuff in red here, you shouldn't really need to write it out, just do it in your head. What's in red? Do it in your head. Hey, that's cool, that rhymes. Is 9 divisible by 3? Yes, it is. That is 3 times 3. Okay, so once again, the numbers add to 9. Okay, that doesn't mean the original number is divisible by 9. It's only a divisibility test by 3. So yes, 261 is divisible by 3. Well, let's do the division. 3 into 261. 3 goes into 2. Can't do. I'm in a real rhyming mood today. Oh, don't go getting all full of yourself. 3 into 26 goes 3 8s are 24, leaving us 2. 3 7s are 21. So 261 divided by 3, doing the division, is going to leave us with 87 exactly, again with no remainder. But how is this trick going to come in handy? Maybe you're making a factor tree. 261. Is it divisible by 2? No, it's not. Is it divisible by 3? Okay, and you have that trick now. Okay, we know that's going to be 3 times 87. And you can keep going. What about 87? Can that factor further? It's not even, so it can't be divisible by 2. What about 3? 8 plus 7, 15. 15 is divisible by 3. 3 into 87. 3 goes into 8. Twice remainder 2. 3 9s are 27. So 87 factors into 3 and 29. There you go. It's handy for making factor trees. A couple more examples for good luck. 107. Add the digits gives us 8. 8 is not divisible by 3, so 107 is not going to be divisible by 3. Let's just test that to make sure. 3 into 107. 3 can't go into 1. 3 goes into 10. 3 times remainder 1. 3 goes into 17. Can't go. 3 5s are 15, leaving us a remainder of 2. So 107 is definitely not divisible by 3. Last one here, 2001. Da, 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 da. Good movie. 2 plus 0 plus 0 plus 1 is 3. 3 is divisible by 3. Yes, this is divisible by 3. Let's do it. 3 into 2001. 3 goes into 2, can't do. 3 goes into 20. 6 3s are 18, leaving a remainder of 2. 3 goes into 20, can't do. It goes 6 times. 3 6s are 18, remainder 2 again. 3 goes into 21 7 times. So 2001, if we were to divide it by 3, which we did, we would get 667 exactly with no remainder. So you think you've got the hang of it now? Your turn to give it a try. Please try example 2. So just by looking at these, can you tell which ones are divisible by 3 and which ones are not? For the ones that are divisible by 3, do the division just to convince yourself that the trick works. Remember, share your answers in the comments, and thanks for watching.